Want to transform your videos from good to unforgettable with killer text? Let's dive into how to add and customize text in Capcut PC, making your videos pop in just a few simple steps. First, open Capcut on your PC and import the video clip you want to work with. Drag and drop your video onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Now, look for the text tab in the top toolbar, usually between audio and stickers. Click on it. This opens up all of Capcut's text options. You'll see a big Add Text button. Clicking this adds a basic text box to your video. Alternatively, scroll down to browse through pre-designed text templates. These are awesome for adding stylized titles or lower thirds quickly. Once you've added text, it will appear in the preview window and on your timeline. Click and drag the text box in the preview window to reposition it. Use the corner handles to resize it. To customize your text, use the text editing panel on the right side of your screen. Here, you can change the font, adjust the size, choose a style like bold or italic, change the color, and even add effects like shadows or outlines. Play around with these options to find the perfect look. Want to make your text move? Click the Animation tab in the text editing panel. This is where you can add animated intros and outros to your text, making it fade in, slide in, or bounce onto the screen. Experiment with different animations to find one that suits your video's style. Finally, adjust the duration of your text by dragging the edges of the text clip on the timeline. This controls how long the text appears on screen. That's it. You've successfully added and customized text in Capcut PC. Now go create some eye-catching videos with these new skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Capcut tips and tricks.